So guys, bumili ako sa Costco kanina ng saranggola. So ari itatry ni Tors. Mahangin pati, kaya maganda siyang paliparin ngayon. So yan. Mamaya dadali namin. Dali namin sa park. Sa open area pala. Dali namin. So ayan na guys. Paliliparin na talaga ng totoo. Ito na yung isa. Okay.
Can you use this please? Right. Because I don't know how to use it.
Where is it? It's there. So yun, lumipad na ho. Lumipad na ang saranggola ni Pepe. Look at guys.
Let's go, Teddy, go! Let's go!
Oh no! When you say let go, don't drop the string.
See? Look, if it is going down, you let go. See? It's going high. See? Look, see? See? It's going down. See? If it is strong wind, you have to let go. You have to let go so that it's coming up. See? 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 Look. Oh, see? If it is, you let go. You let go again. Oh, see? See? Look, you just do like this. You play it, and then see? A strong wind, you just go. Just go. See? Hey, oh, see? See?
So yun, naglalaro ka ng saranggola pero kailangan mong i-explain sa bata in English kung paano magpalipad. Natindahan!